Nature into Art by Thomas Christopher. So, photographs by Ngok Min Ngo. I just screwed up your name, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. So it's about the gardens of Wave Hill. So, and it's divided into the different gardens sections. So you got the flower garden, the gold border, the shade border, the wild garden, Wave Hill through the seasons. So I have more screenshots for my previous video. So you do get a variety of like photographs, like both old and new, of the garden. Within the information you get like stuff like that. So you do get a history and a snapshot of each garden throughout like its design process to what it is today. So and like with the images of the plants and flowers, you do get the name of it. If you do like it in the photographs, you can have a look at it further. Each garden has its own section, like I said, from reading off the table of contents. There's some information about the flowers or plant, like how to take care of it. Like some of it's general, some of it's a bit specific, but she mows like every 2 days. Do you have a neighbor like that? If she has opportunity to mow every like 1.5 days, she does. But yeah. You do get some further reading material if you want to go further. But yeah, it is, if you do like books about specific gardens or specific places, this one really is something to have a look at. And it's really interesting if you're like or if you're just like a nature lover and like, or like gardens, or like want ideas of places to go. Check this book out, it's really interesting. So you get a wide variety of information, mainly about the garden itself, with some plant and flower facts thrown in there. So yeah, Nature into Art. Happy readings.